February 12, 2026. This is day 43 of 365 days of our Abundant Life series. Exodus chapter 3 verses 13 and 14. Moses said to God, "Suppose I go to Israelites and say to them, 'The God of your fathers has sent me to you,' and they ask me, 'What is his name?' Then what shall I tell them?" God said to Moses, "I am who I am." Today's topic title, God says, "I will show my true self to you." To know me, you must accept me on my own terms and not edit out the parts you don't like. If you try to change me, you'll dishonor me and deprive yourself of my goodness. But if you let me be God, you will discover that I am better than the designer God of your preferences. I am not subject to the standards of others. I don't need anyone else to tell me who I am, and I am better than you think. If you say to me, "Show me your glory," rather than projecting your own God preferences onto me, I will do it. The answer to this profound prayer is what you need more than all the seemingly significant items on your prayer list. This is the one thing that makes your life worth living, that you would see and savor the one true God. So God says, "I am who I am." It's a way of God is pointing to His omnipresence, how He is always everywhere, and of His omnipotence, how He is all powerful. So omnipotence is the quality of having unlimited or very great power, while yung omnipresence naman means it is the state of being widespread or constantly encountered. So the presence of God is everywhere at the same time. How He is always everywhere. He is all-powerful, self-existence, and how He is in a way that is not dependent on anyone else. So self-sufficient. God is self-sufficient, self-existence. Ganun siya. As for my reflection, because I like my reflection to be simple, no, para easy maintindihan ba. So God is our everything. He is our one true God. He is our one Savior. He's our only Savior. So wala nang ibang paraan, no, siya lang talaga. And God is not just the giver of things, but He is the source of everything. And everything else is just a resources na. So God is the source and everything else are just resources. So having that mindset, no, that would encourage us that instead of mag-rely sa mga material or human resources, our trust should be in God, because siya yung source, siya yung source. And yung mga things like people, money, jobs, and possessions, mga ganyang bagay, they are just merely temporary, because those are the resources, but the actual source is God. So our trust should be in God rather than relying on material or human resources.